Finally, someone has won the Philippine military history question. Okay, here she is. What is your name?
Aiko po.
Aiko. Anong banda?
Banda Uno po.
Okay, banda uno.
Yes.
Okay, sabi mo ito. Read the question and then you tell the answer.
Okay, this battle of the Korean War was won by 900 Filipino soldiers of the 10th Battalion Combat Team against 40,000 Chinese of the 34th Division, 12th Army, and 44th Division, 15th Army. Answer is letter A, Yultong.
Yay, very good. Palakpakan. Nakuha niya. The biggest prize. Magkano?
Kano?
Magkano ang premyo?
Ito po. 100. Thank you po.
Oh, sige. Congratulations.
Thank you po.
So, that only proves na ang majorette ay may alam sa
Training.
Philippine military history.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you guys.
Bye.
Okay, bye.